Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 1st of May 2020. Okay guys, we have started the month very good. So first of all guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can also get the updates from my side. Okay guys, we have a very good start with the month and let's talk about the today's signals right from USDJPY. So guys, I have given the bearish signal in case of USDJPY today from 106,977 and 106,5665 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on USDJPY already, and my subscribers must have taken a very good profits by trading USDJPY. So I congratulate all my subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended their day with a good profit. Okay guys, you have known that the EURUSD have gained the boost yesterday. That's why I have to turn bullish on EURUSD. So I have supplied the bullish signal from 109717 and 110651 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but you can see a strong bullish trend we have seen in the early session of the day, and we have profited from it as well. But right now, after 3 hours, the EURUSD is going down. But we have nothing to do with this because we have already done with our profits, because you know that we send the signals before the London session and we watch our signals after some time for some hours, and if they go successful, then we normally close our trades. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD. A slow momentum is seen on AUDUSD as well, but however it was fine as per the prediction. A bearish trend was applied to the subscribers from 064376 and 062496 was the target price. However, you can see it is not going to meet the target price, but AUDUSD has certainly went down right from the predictions. Okay guys, let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY as well. So Great Britain Pound JPY was into the weaker zone. That's why I have pulled the bearish signal for that pair, and 134090 was the entry and 132438 is the target price. However, the momentum was slow, but overall we have seen the sound. You can see that that's a reasonable downward trend we have seen on Great Britain Pound JPY as well. So we have taken the benefit from it. At last, we are going to talk about USDCHF. Similarly, guys, USDCHF was weak today. I have supplied the bearish signal from 096267 and 095340 was the target price. However, due to the slow momentum, the target price is not met, but you can say that more than half of the signal was already into our way, so that we have traded USDCHF and we have traded in a very perfect manner, and you can see the profit on the screen. At last, I'm going to talk about AUDJPY. This is the last pair of my signals report. So guys, I have simply decided to go with a bearish trend on AUDJPY from 68888 and 67111 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop already on the screen on AUDJPY. So I congratulate all my subscribers who have taken the sell positions today. They must have profited from this. As well as guys, from another trading account, I have shared the screenshot with Graham today. We have also profited on another account, that's the real account also. So you can see that's what we have done today on that 439.37 profit is also caught on the other account that's also shared with Graham, which is one of my subscribers. So guys, overall we are doing extremely well with our signals, so I recommend you to join our signals group. That's really effective, that you will be into the positive side of the trading. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that you have already seen on the charts, like in the form of red boundaries. So if you are looking to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know that AUDJPY is going to be dropped today, EURUSD is going to be bullish today, and like USDJPY is going to be bearish today. So this is completely based on a trick, and if you want to learn that trick, then I charge $700 for teaching that trick. And I take the subscribers for 3 days Skype coaching, and after 3 days you will be able to prepare your own signals on any currency pair. So guys, if you are really serious about learning, and if you are really serious about learning that trick that is quite simple, that will make your forex quite easy, then for guys, all inquiries you need to send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.